Nextly, after practicing in mock exams, you have your own mock exams at home, wherever you're preparing. You should have your own group mock exams. The sharper the weapon, the better the cutting. Nextly, in the mains exams, your preparation should be focused specifically on time management and marks management. If it's a 10 mark, you must divide the time available. But let us, is it 2.5 hours these days, Jobin?
Prelims are 2.5 hours. 2
and
hours. Mains 3 hours, sir.
3 hours a paper.
Yes, yes, sir.
So 3 hours into 60 minutes, 180 minutes. And how many marks each paper?
250 marks, sir.
250 marks. So you have to divide. That means there is not even a minute for each mark. You have to get a mark at least every 40 seconds. So every 40 seconds, unless you have put in the content worth 1 mark, you are losing somewhere. If you are writing a 10 mark answer, it should be finished in 40 into 10. 40 into 10 is 400 seconds. 360 plus 40. That means somewhere 4.5 minutes. Within 4.5 minutes, you should have finished your 10 mark answer. If you are spending 11 minutes, 5 minutes or 5.5 minutes on that answer, that means you are losing marks. If it's a 2 mark question, you must not spend more than 80 seconds in writing that answer. So it's basically a time management exercise. If you are too good in one answer, the tendency is to keep on writing and put in all your knowledge in the topic. By doing this, you might be satisfying your ego. You might be satisfying your knowledge, saying that, oh, I have put in everything I know about this topic. No, that will not fetch the marks. You leave it where it leads to be. You need not vomit all your knowledge in one answer. It's bad. That is thoroughly discouraged in civil services. You must have practiced for 10 mark question for this 4.5 minutes. How many points I should have written for such a question? You should have already seen that question already in your practice. That kind of preparation is needed. Every current affair topic, let us say you are reading the Hindu newspaper. So they spoke about something I was just casually glancing today. Spoke about some Martian, some hematites of Martia on Mars. So suddenly they might ask a 5 mark question on that. What are Martian, those pebbles, Martian pebbles they have found? There's an article in Hindu today. You should have practiced this topic. You should have practiced it for 2 marks. You should have practiced it for 5 marks. You should have practiced it for 10 marks. Only then can you repeat this on the day of exam. Very rarely, some questions come where you have never attempted that question. But definitely your preparation in all these topics will help you in writing the right answer there. And if you had prepared well, your performance in the exam would have been the best in the country. That should be the level of your preparation. Don't ever think that I would just write whatever I get reminded. I will know the answer because I've extensively prepared. I will write. No. Unless you have practiced in writing on the paper and got it corrected with your teachers and your group and improved it by writing it again. When I say revision, I mean writing revision, not reading revision. And every time you read your answer, you will see the improvement. So basically, civil services main preparation is writing preparation and time management. Preliminary preparation is basically extensive reading with understanding of the applications and the clarity of thought. So friends, I think I have covered most of the points. If you have any doubts, please ask me. We can spend another 5 to 10 minutes on your doubts.